Are you ready to revolutionize your TV experience? Today, we're diving into how to buy the best IPTV service in 2026. With so many options, it's crucial to know which provider fits your needs. First, consider Lexa IPTV, known for its extensive channel library and reliable uptime.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night, under street lamp, red face flamed by the light.
Next, check for device compatibility. Look for services that work on smart TVs, tablets, and smartphones. Don't forget to explore free trials. Many providers, like Layer 7 TV, offer trial periods so you can test their services without commitment. Pay attention to the user interface as well. A simple, intuitive layout makes for a better viewing experience. Watch out for common mistakes.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night, under street lamp, red face flame by the light.
Avoid services that promise unrealistic channel numbers or lack transparency in pricing. Read reviews and ratings before committing. Finally, ensure you have a reliable internet connection, at least 25 Mbps, for optimal streaming. Remember, 2TV Store is the best IPTV provider out there, so be sure to check the link in the description for more info.